Growing your favorite fruits in a backyard orchard can be a rewarding and enjoyable experience. Here are some basic steps and tips to help you get started. Choose suitable fruits. Start by selecting fruit varieties that are well suited to your climate, soil type, and available space. Consider factors such as chill hours, the number of hours below a certain temperature required for fruiting, growing season length, and disease resistance. Select a suitable site. Choose a location in your backyard that receives ample sunlight throughout the day. Most fruit-bearing plants require at least 6–8 hours of direct sunlight for optimal growth and fruit production. Prepare the soil. Test your soil's pH and nutrient levels. Amend the soil as needed to ensure good drainage and fertility. Adding compost or well-rotted manure can improve soil structure and nutrient content. Choose planting method. You can start your orchard from seeds, cuttings, bare root plants, or container-grown plants. Container-grown plants are often easier for beginners, as they establish quickly and have a higher survival rate. Planting. Follow the planting instructions for your chosen fruit plants. Be sure to space them according to their mature size to avoid overcrowding. Water the plants thoroughly after planting. Watering. Provide consistent and deep watering, especially during the growing season. Young plants require more frequent watering than established ones. Use mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Pruning. Regular pruning helps maintain the health and shape of your fruit trees or bushes. Prune during the dormant season to remove dead or diseased branches. Improve air circulation and encourage fruiting. Fertilizing. Fruit-bearing plants require proper nutrients for optimal growth and fruit production. Use a balanced fertilizer or one formulated specifically for fruit trees, and follow the recommended application rates. Pest and disease management. Keep a close eye on your plants for signs of pests and diseases. Early detection and action can prevent major infestations. Consider using organic methods such as neem oil, insecticidal soap, and beneficial insects. Harvesting. Harvest times vary depending on the fruit type. Fruits like apples, pears, and peaches are typically harvested when they reach their mature color and are easily detached from the tree. Berries are usually ready when they're fully colored and firm. Protection from wildlife, depending on your area. Wildlife like birds, squirrels, and deer might be interested in your fruit. Consider using netting or other protective measures to prevent these animals from getting to your harvest. Winter care. In colder climates, protect your plants from freezing temperatures by applying mulch around the base to insulate the roots. Wrapping the trunks of young trees with tree wraps can prevent sun scald and rodent damage. Continuous learning. Gardening is a continuous learning process. Stay curious. Observe your plants closely and be open to adjusting your practices based on your experiences. Remember that growing fruit in your backyard orchard may take some time and patience, but the joy of picking and eating your own homegrown fruits makes the effort worthwhile. Additionally, consider reaching out to local gardening clubs, extension offices, and online resources for specific advice tailored to your region and fruit preferences.